Hello members, this is Aman from Upmo Stocks. We hope that you are doing well. So the stock that we are going to discuss today is ICIL. The reason for covering this stock is that it has posted its quarterly results today. So we will also be discussing financial results and as to how the company has performed in this quarter. So let us first discuss the technical aspects as we do for other stocks on day-to-day basis. So ICIL broke a critical level of 232 today during the trading session and closed at the next major critical support level of 224. You can see that previously ICL was taking support at the price of around 231.80 to 232 and was bouncing back from that particular level. However, today it could not sustain that level and came down sharply and made a low of around 222 rupees today and closed at a price of 224. So last time this stock had touched this level of 224 was on 30th of November 2021, and prior to that the stock had gone below this level on 23rd of August 2021. But till now the stock has not closed at least twice below this particular level, though it touches this level, but on the very next day it goes up. So now we will have to see as to whether this stock will move up tomorrow, maybe day after tomorrow, or will it start closing below this level of 224 for the next 3 to 4 days. However, if the stock starts to close below this level of 224 maybe for next 3 to 4 days, then we can see further downside in this stock that can take it to the immediate level of 215 or 216, you can say, and thereafter 209 or 208. So the next major support levels would be 215, the low of 23rd of August candle, which was 215.10, and after that the next major support would come around 209 to 210 rupees. So if anyone is holding this stock in his or her portfolio, he or she should focus on the price of 224. The stock is at a very critical level. Continuous closings below this level can indicate further weakness in this stock. So what could be the possible reason for such a sharp fall in ICL? First of all, the market was very weak today. Almost all of the stocks were falling. There was not any kind of strength in majority of the stocks. So that could be one of the reasons that there was like panic selling in this particular stock. The other reason could be the decline in profits that it has reported in the current quarter. So let us study the financial statements that the company has submitted with the BSE. So you can see these are the results that have been posted by Indocount Industries Limited. You can see the name here, and these we have picked these statements from the BSE website, and now we are going to discuss the financial results with you. So you can see that the company has reported a profit of 119.30 crores before exceptional items and tax. In the previous quarter it was 105.14, and in the same quarter for the previous year it was 127.14. So if we take it on year basis, then yes, the company's profit has reduced. However, if we compare it with the performance of the previous quarter, yes, the company's performance has improved. However, because the company has reported an exceptional loss of 20.86, we can see that profit before tax has reduced to 98.44, and in the previous quarter it was 105.14. In any case, the company's financial results, when we compare it with the same quarter for the previous year, is not in line, because it has reduced substantially from the price of, you can see, 127.54 crores to 98.44 crores. So the company's profits are declining, are showing some kind of decline. However, when we compare with the previous quarter and we don't consider this exceptional loss of 20.86, the company's profitability has improved by around 14 crores. You can see it was 105.14 crores in the previous quarter, and in the current and in the quarter that has ended on 31st of December, it is 119.30. Because of this exceptional loss of 20.86, the company's net profit is also coming around to be 72.83, which indicates a certain kind of, which might indicate a certain kind of like decline in profit from the level of 79.14. However, if this exceptional loss of 20.86 is removed, then this profit figure will come out to be higher. So the exceptional, for understanding why the company has reported the exceptional loss, we need to study the notes. So if anyone who is interested in going through all these details, you can refer to the note number 4 where the company has mentioned as to why this loss of 20.86 has been reported by it in its quarterly results for the quarter ending on 31st of December 2021. So you can see 20.86 and the note here is 20.86. So overall the performance appears to be a bit on a like declining side. However, if the exceptional loss is removed, because this could be a one-time loss, so maybe in the next quarter we might see the figure of profit before exceptional items at tax on a higher side and there will not be any kind of exceptional loss. So we might see improvement in the overall profitability of the company for the next quarter that will get ended on 31st of March 2022. So this could also be one of the reasons as to why the company's stock show a sharp fall today during the trading session, because a lot of people might have seen the financial statements just like on the face of it. They might have studied the previous quarter's net profit and the current quarter's net profit, and they might have seen the decline by 7 crore rupees, and that could be the reason that they sold their stocks or holdings in a panic selling and exited from the stock. However, this exceptional loss can make a lot of difference. So now we will need to see as to how this stock performs in the tomorrow's session. So this is a kind of basically you can say a first financial analysis of the quarterly results. One more thing that we would like to share with you is that you can see that the company's revenue from operations have increased by around 55 crores. In the previous quarter, the revenue was 72.33 and in the current quarter it is 777.61. You can see that it is just 5 crores short of the revenue figure that was posted by the company in the third quarter of last year. So only 5 crore difference as compared to the same quarter of the previous year, and 55 crores increase when compared with the performance of the previous quarter. So the company's revenues from operations have increased, which is a good sign. Other operating income has also increased. So the problem here is with this exceptional loss. So if this exceptional loss is one time and company gives a certain kind of clarification on why this exceptional loss was reported and what it could mean for the company, then we might see an upside in the stock in the next few days to come. Otherwise, if this kind of selling continues to happen, we have already told you the critical levels. The first one would be 215 and the next one would be, it would be around 208 to 209, or you can simply take it as 210. And after that, then the next major support will be around 191. So let us not go up to that levels because 224 is a very critical level for ICIL. So with this, I will be ending the video. We are not going to record this video in Hindi because the video will be very, very long. In case we receive some requests for the video to be posted in Hindi, we will surely do that. So we hope that you would like this kind of a video where we have discussed both the results and the technical aspects of the stock. So in case you have any queries, kindly post them in the comment section and we will reply to them ASAP. So this is Aman signing off. Bye bye. Take care.